Thanks for joining us at Diamond MotorCars on this very beautiful day in Long Beach, California. I want to take this time to show you this 2004 Honda Civic VP 5-speed manual transmission coupe. It's had 3 owners and 1 accident. Unfortunately, that accident gave it a salvage title. But I want to take these next few moments to show you why this is still a great vehicle, going for a great price of only $3,000. Now first I want to mention that maintenance should be fairly easy and inexpensive since this is a Honda. This is a very basic Honda as well. Very simple on the inside, just as simple on the outside. Clean, soft cloth interior. Now I'm gonna start it for you. We can see the miles, 157,996. And did you hear how smoothly it started up? We have this at Diamond MotorCars, again, for $3,000, very inexpensive. This is still a great vehicle. We're open 7 days a week, so come on in and see what we can do for you.